You need to understand how Germany works. Vocational training in Germany, also known as Ausbildung, is about choosing a path that gives you leverage. It gives you clarity and it saves you a lot of time. Vocational training allows you to enter into the German job market and grow within the system. It allows you to have direct employer exposure, real work experience, and a clear pathway. Welcome to a new beginning. If you are starting a vocational training or you intend to change careers, if you are new in Germany or looking to build confidence, and if your vocational training involves you using a computer or you just want to learn how to use a computer, we are offering computer courses that helps you to learn how to use a computer and understand the German terms. That is, our computer courses is bilingual. As you are learning how to use a computer, you are learning the German language as well. And for this, you are free and you can work confidently in any environment. Why? Because Germany is built on skills, readiness, and real workplace fitness. So why choose Germany? Germany is renowned for its robust vocational training system, offering a unique blend of hands-on experience and academic learning. It's a perfect place to develop skills in a practical settings, and this can open doors to a multitude of career opportunities. Are you intending to start your vocational training, or does your vocational training involves you using the computer, or you just want to learn how to use a computer? Check out our computer courses link in the description of this video. So, to start your vocational training, you must understand the German language. It's very important. That is why our courses are bilingual. It's bringing you into the environment so you have all the necessary tools and you are well prepared for any environment. Your German language, your certificate. So let's dive into this video. So welcome back. Like I said before, this is a continuation video and it's all about Berufe im Labor, that is professions in the lab. Career options in this area of specialization 1 to 18 have been discussed in previous video. You can find in the playlist Natural Science Ausbildung in Germany. I'm starting today with the 19th career option. So if you want to know more about the career options, I encourage you to go into the playlist and watch the previous videos. So, as the picture beside is showing, the first career, which is the 19th career in this area of career option, career path, is the Proof Technologie Ceramic. That's test engineer ceramics. The duration is 3 years and it's an Anerkennung Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. Apart from the German language, which is very important, you need your Hochschulreife, your Realschulabschluss, your Realschulabschluss, that is your university entrance qualification, secondary school, living certificates, intermediate school living certificates, with any of this, and your German language, which is the most important. To understand if you have any of this certificate, you must check if you have any certificate from where you're coming from, your home country. You have to standardize this to the German language certificate. That is the Anerkennung. It's called Anerkennung. So what do you do as a ceramic testing engineer, specialist, I mean to say, test engineer ceramics? What do you do? You determine the components and properties of raw materials and components used in production of ceramic products. Ceramic products such as glass or mineral building materials. You measure, for example, the content of the moisture, the density of the moisture content in the material. You take samples at all stages of production, you prepare them, and you check the grain size. The shrinkage, the hardness, the firing, the flexibility of the materials, and you document all these results. So that is why our course is important as well, because as you are documenting, everything is getting digitalized and you need to know how to use a computer effectively. We are offering these courses. It's not just computer courses, it's bilingual computer courses, which prepares you for any workplace environment. So Once you are documenting these results, you forward the samples to specialized laboratories for finished products such as precision ceramic components. You check dimensional accuracy, you check thermal stresses, the external condition of the ceramic, and you analyze and evaluate measurements. So every information you prepare them for the customer, your superiors, or you prepare them for those that employed you, that is your authorities. So where do you find employment? You find employment in companies that are into ceramic production, glass production. You find employment in companies that are into the stone and earth industry or building material manufacturing companies. You also find employment in material testing institutes and material testing offices. That is where you find employment. So as the picture beside is showing, you do tests on ceramics and different types of materials. So we've come to the end of the first video. That is the first career option I meant to say. So the second career option is still in this video, so I encourage you to watch the video to the end. I'll see you in the next part of the video. So the second career option is a technician assistantin for metallography on Werkstoff Kunde. That is technical assistant for metallography and material sciences. Technical assistant for metallography and material science. The duration is 2 to 3 years, and it's a Berufsfachschulberuf. It's a vocational school occupation. The duration is 3 years. So do you need the certificates apart from your German language, which I'll always say? You need your Hochschulreife, you need your Fachhochschulreife, and you need your Mittelbildungsabschluss. With these 3 certificates, you can access this vocational training and your German language. So if you have not started, I encourage you to start your German language. If you have, give yourself a big thumbs up. And if you're finished, a big part at the back. So what do you do in this way if you want to go for this career option? Metallography and material science technical assistants, they examine plastics as well as mineral and ceramic materials. They perform surface examination, including microscopic, metallographic, X-ray, and other physical methods. They use it. They do experiments, they prepare samples to reveal the structure of the material. They do hardness testing and tensile testing to determine the strength of the material. They prepare experimental setups and plan experimental procedures. They analyze and document test results on the computer. So that is why our computer course come handy for you. If you want to know how to use a computer, we prepare you for any workplace. So it's important. You can check our website. We have bilingual courses that prepare you for any workplace or any training. So you test this series using the computer systems. You analyze and document the test results on the computer. So where do you find employment? You find employment in metalworking companies, steel and foundry plants and foundries, in mechanical engineering companies, with manufacturers of electronic systems and components. You also find employment in research institutes. So everywhere I've mentioned, that is where you find employment if you go into this vocational training. So I encourage you, if you have not started, I'm encouraging you again, start your German language. And we also offer bilingual computer courses that prepares you for any tech workspace or any training when you have to make use of a computer. So it's absolute for anyone starting from the scratch to the advanced level. You don't have to be scared. It's beginner friendly. So don't give up on your careers, because only you can stop you. Now, if this video has helped you, kindly share with more amazing people like you. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? If you have, give yourself a big clap. Thank you for that. So subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that when we drop new career options, you never miss an update from us. You are the first to know, because we still have much exciting careers coming your way. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.